Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Volkswagen Passat. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that remain on the ground. Remember, safety is paramount. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands for proper support once the vehicle is lifted. Now, let's find the correct lifting points. Your Volkswagen Passat has 4 specific jack points, usually located along the pinch welds, just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels. These are reinforced areas designed to safely bear the vehicle's weight. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise diagrams and avoid placing the jack on any plastic or suspension parts. With your jack points identified, position your jack directly beneath one. Ensure the jack head makes full contact with the reinforced area. Slowly begin to raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure stability. Once the tire is about 1 or 2 inches off the ground, place 2 jack stands securely under a strong part of the vehicle's frame, then gently lower the car onto them. When you are ready to lower your Passat, first slightly raise the vehicle again, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from underneath the car. Now, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground using the jack's release valve. Once all 4 wheels are firmly on the ground, remove the jack and store all your equipment safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.